Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. The pullback continues on this one. Actually, let me do this to offer up a little bit more context. So for quite a while, this thing was just driving higher and higher and higher and higher. Things finally leveled off, and now from this point, it's still a pullback, but it's really starting to get into, is this just a full-blown reversal? Like I said, I'm personally not willing to call it a full-blown reversal yet, but it's definitely kind of knocking on the door and, at some thin ice in terms of if these levels don't hold up, then there's definitely a severe problem with the chart. And the level that, I would keep an eye on, in my opinion, going forward is going to be right down here around $3.40. And you can see this has got quite a bit of history with it at previous times throughout the course. So keep an eye on that, as that course of time, like I said, showed quite a bit of history with it. But so far, so good. The price has not gone down to 340 yet. But if it does, then that's certainly a level that you would want to see the price stay up above. In the event the $3.40 mark does not hold up, the next key level of support after that would be this previous breakout area down there at 325. No such thing as a guarantee, but yeah, if there's a high volume break of 340, then it would not be shocking at all to see the price drift down to 325 and at least retest it, if not go lower. So keep an eye on 340. Like I said, if that doesn't hold, then stay up there. Then you'd want to see it stay up above at least 325. Now I'll zoom back in here. We got our support levels established. As far as resistances are concerned, pretty straightforward right now. It's all about that pink line, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average. And right now that's valued at 365. So in the event there is any sort of bounce back to the upside, 365 is going to be public enemy number one that the price will have to ultimately push through. But as of right now, at least in my opinion, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's more so about trying to stabilize out and do its best to stay up above 340 for the reasons already discussed, as that would really put the chart in an essentially reversal territory. But we'll see what happens with it and how it closes out the week on Friday. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.